Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be setting up my monthly view in the Hobonichi Weeks Planner. Okay, let's get started. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that it is already almost June. Where has the year gone? So, I am going to be using our June monthly kit. This is the brand new 2023 kit, Into the Wild. We wanted to design something with a more neutral earth tone vibe to it, and this came out so beautiful with the gorgeous wildflowers and adding a safari feel to it with the giraffe and elephant. So gorgeous. I really just love how this whole kit turned out. So I think I will be doing a plan with me using the main Hobonichi Weeks kit into the wild for the first week of June as well. If you guys want to see that video, definitely let me know down below. So I just put down my bottom washi and then I'm putting down the side border now. I just love how the wildflowers matches up to the bottom washi. It looks so pretty. I am so happy with how the colors came out in this kit. We usually do pretty bold, bright colors. So this was a little different for us. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we do. So I'm putting down my monthly date strips up at the top. These are split up into two sections, so it's so easy to put on rather than like the Erin Condren planner where we have them all 7 days separately. This is super easy, just a little washi strip to put up top. Now, I use this planner as my everyday carry planner because it is so compact. It fits right inside my purse. And even though it is so small, I really can fit a ton of information in this guy, especially since the weekdays have a full page for each week. So I use that as a long running to-do list or a note section. So I can always fit things in even if I don't fit them in the monthly view. And then when I get home, I usually transfer any of the information that I need to, like appointments or things like that, that I jotted down, or a little grocery list into my main planner. So I just put down all of the little full boxes to cover up the empty boxes for the month. And then I'm just grabbing the holiday stickers for June. I'm grabbing the tiny ones. We have larger holiday stickers that fit in like the Hobonichi Cousin and the Erin Condren, but you can see these are super tiny, so they fit in the monthly section for the Hobonichi Weeks, or you can put them in the weekly section as well. And then I'm just going to grab some of the little quarter boxes for the weeks and then just layer the stickers down now. So for Father's Day on the 18th, so you'll have to look at your planner and see what holidays you want to put down when you use the Hobonichi Weeks or the Hobonichi Cousin Planner, since they obviously don't put in the US holidays in their planner. So Juneteenth on the 19th. And then I'm just putting down a couple more boxes for Friday and then grabbing some balloon stickers. I thought balloons might work really good for me to remind me that I have new releases coming out on the 16th and then also on the 30th of June. So mark your calendars for that. Also, we just opened up subscriptions for our August collection. So if you want to sign up for that, I'll leave a link down below. Those will start shipping June 6th and the subscription will close on the 5th. So I'm just finishing off putting some of the icon stickers down to remind me of like rent and when bills are due, like on the 27th and an appointment on the 22nd. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little plan with me in the Hobonichi weeks. If you guys loved it and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.